Yeah, so I'll be doing this problem of Leetcode. Majority element 65.6% acceptance. See, given an array nums size n, return the majority element. The majority element is the element that appears more than n by 2 times. You may assume that the majority element always exists in the array. Appears more than n by 2 times. Okay, more than the half times basically. So this is 3. So 3 by 2 will be 1. So anything which appears more than 1 is 3. Okay. Then again we have 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 7. 7 by 2, 3. Anything more than 3, that is 2. Okay. Okay. So what I can do is, again the solution, use hash map, keep the count, and return it. I think so. N is equal to dot length. No. Okay, greater than equal to. What if there it is 1? So 1 by 2 is 0. Anything greater than 0, that is basically 1. So we'll return that. Okay. So this is an array. Okay. This is size root. Array size. Array size. Name it better. Number of items. Number of elements. Nums dot length. If number of elements is equal to 1, then return else. What I will do is mention new mention use similar thing for the nums. You can use for each year because I just need to traverse. I don't think need to do anything with this. If count dot contains think I count to put Anything is all breaking with hash brown. Anyways, same solution. Keeping the count and returning it. Let me see. I don't know if I'm missing anything in the syntax. Okay. So if it contains the key, then we'll increase the count. Else we'll put it like if we encounter it the first. Now, uh, we have to do one thing. Int majority is equal to nums dot length by 2. Right. Nums dot length by 2. We have to check. Second. So then you do this. Do set if count get I is greater than majority. Return I. So basically I'm just checking whatever if any values is greater than majority and return the key. Return 0. Now let me done 3. Then oh shit, I forgot to play the timer. Anyways, 2. Okay. We submit. Why so bad, man? Analyze complexity is that sort of n. Let me see any solutions. Hash map order of n without hash map order of 1 space. Hash table. This book is a pick the current element as a new candidate. Current element matches the candidate increment count. Otherwise, decrement count. So the majority element occurs more than n by 2 times. It will always be the last standing candidate. Sure. See, so basically, I'll make this as a candidate. Okay, count is equal to 0. When it comes, it doesn't match. So, what I will do is I will decrease it by 1, that is minus 1. Okay, and now this becomes a candidate, right? Now I come here, I see if it matches. I didn't get that solution, just a second. Um, if count equals 0, pick the current element. Oh, okay. So that won't be the always the case. If the current element, candidate, increment, otherwise decrement count. Pick the current element as the new candidate. So count is 0, pick the current element as the new candidate. Doesn't match. So decrement minus 1. Hmm. What's the solution? 3 to 3. Let me see here. Okay. Count is 0, candidate is 4, so candidate is 3. Now okay, so it will basically increase. So it will be 1. Okay. Now next will be 2. So that won't be equal. Mm-hmm. Is not equal to candidate. So it will be minus 1. So basically 1 minus 1 will be 0. So if count is equal to 0, candidate is equal to 1. So again when it will come here, it will again be the candidate. Okay. Not on that side. Okay. We see on YouTube what they have majority element. Majority. Let me give some other solutions. Basically, something else. Everyone has used that only. Morse voting algorithm. Greater than by 2 majority, there will only be one winner. So we keep track only one element and count a variable winner. Each time in loop we check if element is not assigned, then we assign a value to it and set count to 0. Stood, I think we need some more about this pair voting algorithm. Okay, thank you.